welcome back to the next math session. So today we are going to continue with chapter number 3 of subtraction. In this chapter, next topic is story sums. So children, today we are going to start with story sums. Okay. First we will take one example and then we will start with the exercise part. Okay. So here I have taken example. Smita had rupees 200 in her purse. She bought a notebook which cost rupees 55. So what happened, children, here in this story sum? That Smita had rupee 200 in her purse and she bought a notebook which cost rupees 55. Okay, so out of 200 she bought a notebook of rupees 55. How much money was left with her when she came back home? Okay, so now how you will solve in this question? What we have to find, children, that how much money was left. Okay, so when you subtract this 55 from 200, the whatever money is left, that is your answer. Okay, so first we will write the statement. See, the first statement is total money Smita had. So how much money Smita had, children, here? Rupee 200. Okay, and money she spent. How much money she spent, children? That is rupee 55. Okay, so out of 200, if 55 money she spent on buying the notebook, then what is the money? How much money she will be left with? So money left with her is equal to 200 minus 55. Now this we will solve here. Now children, see, 200 minus 55. Now how you will do this subtraction? See, children, here from 0 we cannot subtract 5. From 0 here again we cannot subtract 5, and here is 2. Okay, so how you will solve this sum? Okay, now when this type of sum is there where 0 0 are there and down we are having the number, from 0 we cannot subtract any number, then how you will solve this sum? Okay, how you will solve, children? See, now this 0 will borrow a number from this 2. Okay, so what you are going to do now, this 0, first we have to see at this 0, which from which we cannot subtract 5. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow one number from this 2. Okay, so see here, we will cut this 2 and this 2 will become 1. Okay, and when this 0 is borrowing one number, it will become 10. Okay, now out of 10 we can subtract 5, but here also we are having 0. Okay, so what you will do, children? This 0 will again borrow one number from this 10. So again we will cut this 10 and we will write 9 over here, and 1 0 will goes to this, 1 we will go take it here and it will become 10. Okay, so like this you have to borrow when there are zeros over here on the upper number, and down we have bigger number. Okay, so again I am repeating here, children, when we are having 0 here and from 0 we have to subtract any number which is not possible. So what you will do, children? Here you will cut this 2 and you will write 1, because one number is borrowed by this 0. Okay, now this 0 will borrow one number from this 2. So this 0 will become 10 and this 2 will become 1. Okay, now here also again we are having 0. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will again borrow one number from this 10. Okay, and this 10 we will cancel and we will write 9 over here, and this 0 will become 10. Okay, so now how you will subtract, children? From 10 we can subtract 5. So what will be the answer? 5. Okay, then from 9 when we subtract 5, what is the answer, children? 4. And from 1, here we don't have any number, so it will become as it is. You will write this one as it is. Okay, so what is the answer, children? 145. When you subtract 55 from 200, you will have 145. Okay, children? So we have done with first example of story sum. In next video, we will start with the new exercise of story sums. Okay, till then you practice this story sum in your classwork copy. Okay, till then, goodbye. Take care, children.